Krud Kutter Original Cleaner and Degreaser safely removes stubborn stains and spots that most all-purpose cleaners can't touch. Use Original Krud Kutter on all your automotive, marine, and indoor surfaces. From oily spots to dried smoke stains, dried on latex paint, tar, pet stains, and everything in between. In this video, we will show you how to remove 3 especially tough stains from a light-colored carpet: red wine, red lipstick, and permanent marker. Before you begin, be sure to carefully review all the instructions on the package and test it first on an inconspicuous area. Next, spray a liberal amount directly onto each stain. Wait 3 to 4 minutes to let the product penetrate the stains. Then wipe the surface with a cloth or towel, frequently turning the towel to apply clean areas to the stain. When working with carpet, don't rub in a circular direction as it can destroy the texture. If needed, respray the stains and wait a few minutes before wiping again. It's that simple. Red wine, red lipstick, and permanent marker are no match for Krud Kutter Original. Krud Kutter is biodegradable and does not contain bleach, ammonia, or hazardous solvents. It's made from the safest possible ingredients for people, pets, and the environment. For additional information about Krud Kutter cleaning products, visit Rust-Oleum.co.za.